headlights that were soft and warm, doors that were thin, that rattled, that reminded you of your vulnerability, that you're driving what is effectively an adult Hot Wheels car. That was the point. These cars were put together like a glorified Lego set that emphasized repairability and tuner culture, that shipped with a total lack of driver assist. I mean, this thing had no traction control, no electronic stability control. It didn't ship with these two motherfuckers, but they're in the shot anyway, aren't they? So